All right, so what we want to do next is we're going to insert the paving plan sheet so we can see where our different materials happen to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pan my drawing over to the right or left, sorry, and I'm going to go to the import. And again, I don't have to change my import folder because my site plan should still be in this folder. So if I come in here, I can see I've got this site takeoff PDF, and I'm going to choose this paving plan sheet. So looking at the PDF, you can see that it's sheet 21. And I'm going to come in here, pick 21. Everything else will keep the same, and I'm going to click import. Now again, just like we did the grading plan, we're going to georeference this this sheet. So I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to pan this guy over a little bit, and I'm going to pick on georeferenced PDF. So now I'm going to keep I'm not going to do the rectangle boundary because I want to use this information over here, so I want to see it. So to keep from having to jump from the PDF back to my drawing, I'm going to leave it in the drawing. So I'm going to pick 2 points. Again, I'm just going to use these 2 property corners I have here. So I'm going to come over here, and I know that I can come in here. So I'm just going to pick that point there, and then the same thing down here. I could turn on the property boundary, but I'm just using this as a guide and a reference. I'm not going to import any of this data, so I'm just going to pick that point there. And then I'm going to hit register and close, and we can close that. And so now I have my image, and I can see where my heavy duty asphalt is versus my heavy duty concrete versus everything else. Okay. Now I can go to my view filter manager, and I can turn off the grading plan, pick this site takeoff one again, go to properties. Actually, let's go to this one. So under Project Explorer, select it, go to properties, and let's rename that as paving plan. All right. And that'll make it easier for us to see and understand. Okay.